Welcome to the nicely black garage door. We have a remote control here, so up, does that, and the garage door goes up. To reveal nasty weather. I've put all the floor down, the rest of the floor down, and I've made a threshold piece of wood with a small chamfer on it, and the plan is to go to plan A, which was to make a bit of a ramp, and I'll do that when I get my new saw, because I'll be able to cut a decent bevel on it. So today's effort is this garage door, looking smart. And if you look, there's my aluminium. It's looking good. I like it. And this is the subtle garage door opener, just so you can't miss it. I should do something with the cables, but currently that's how it is. So that's it, I'm afraid. Oh, poor van's getting all wet. We've got a bush that needs to go to the tip, along with all the other junk and rubbish. So anyway, catch you later, guys.